All right, I've been testing 3 cameras side by side, the DJI Pocket 4, the Pocket 4P, and the GoPro Mission 1 Pro, and they honestly feel built for totally different people. Starting with the DJI Pocket 4 and 4P, this is the vlogger's dream. That built-in 3-axis gimbal makes your footage look insanely smooth, almost cinematic straight out of your hand. And in low light, it really pulls ahead thanks to its larger sensor. The downside? You'll need a case if you're going anywhere near water. Now the GoPro Mission 1 Pro. This thing is a tank. Waterproof up to 20 meters without any housing, and it can take hits, drops, vibrations. No problem. It's clearly made for action, not gentle shooting. But in low light, yeah, it falls behind the DJI. So here's the simple breakdown. DJI for cinematic vlogging and travel, GoPro for sports, action, and extreme environments. Honestly, it just depends on how wild your life is.